Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today we're looking at the shark. And why is my shark blocking up? Well, I have my shark now for around about 4 months, and we use it here, there and everywhere. It's one of those items you can just pick up and use. You don't have to think about getting out the proper vacuum cleaner, you can just vacuum up. It seems as though I'm not the only person that gets blocked pipes. You guys out there as well. You've been telling me you've had problems with your vacuum. You're not going to see this very well. You can see the bit of light. Well, actually, the reason you can only see a bit of the light is because it's blocked. For some reason is carpet likes to get stuck in the pipe. And this is just one part of the vacuum. What amazes me is why? And also this pipe here gets blocked as well. So how do we remedy the problem? Well, unfortunately you can't. It's a design problem. And shark's not the only one. Apparently, I've heard from people who've got Dyson, Vacs, you name it, they're all saying the same thing. And they're all made in the same type of design. They've all got this piece in here, which is corrugated. And the thing is with corrugated stuff, it always sticks. It always gets stuff stuck in it. Well, this is actually a Swiffer bar. It's thin enough to go down. I was thinking about getting a little brush on the end there as well, but I haven't come up with a conclusion how to get a brush on the end of that yet. But I'm going to work on it, because then it could be cleaned out properly. And all you do is push it down, and out comes the crap. Huh. Oh, what is actually in there? It's cardboard, hairs, and carpet bits. For some reason, this just gets, it's not like a proper vacuum cleaner where it sucks it away. It's sort of, everything seems to sit in it. Now the head's another beast itself. So we've used this to do this. Now, you can't just prod this down because it doesn't prod, because you still got to get it out. So once again, we turn it over and we undo it. Remove this part, and whilst you're doing this, you might as well just check if you've got any rubbish stuck round. At the moment, that's fine. I've already done that the other day. And all you do is get your stick, and you put your stick down through, and it's clear. That's why I was thinking about getting a little brush type thing on the end there, something to screw in the top. Everybody's saying the same thing. They're having problems with blocking up. There's the one thing when you get your blocked pipes, you know what it's like, don't you? You need to unblock them. And this is so easy to take apart. Now, another thing that few of you have been saying to me is this roller replaceable? Well, yes, it is replaceable, but I haven't taken it apart. Now, I know this smaller roller is replaceable, and you can get that off the Shark website. This other part is available off the Shark website. I haven't got a clue how you take it apart, because once you've got it off, it's pretty much sealed in there. So I'm guessing there is screws around the outside, and in one video I'll probably take it apart and show you how to take it apart. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please check out the description below. There may be things down there that may interest you. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!